my son.
Hello.
What? What? Wow. Wow. Just wow. Ah.
You can open this thing now. You can open this thing. Have you finished?
Yes. Alright, take it.
Ich got it.
Remove the knife.
So guys, so my cake, I ordered for blue cake with white icing. So let's cut it. How I got this?
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. He's a jolly good fella. He's a jolly good fella. He's a jolly good fella.
See what these goodies inside here. Let's start with the first one. Also, what is this?
Cookies.
Butter stuff. Let's see the design inside. Okay, this are the bits.
Okay, now let's see.
So see all these sneakers.
Another one.
So there's
Another
three.
one.
So there's four
It's
inside.
5. Remember Zoe took one yesterday.
They don't take two.
She took
Yes.
one yesterday.
Wow, so wow. So look at this
This cake.
butter cookies.
This.
Now I enjoy this one.
Now we carry this one. See.
Brown bread. Short bread cookies.
Maliki, what are you eating?
And see this one. Milk.
It's still chocolate. But
I'm
it's
here now.
different type of
I'm here. Why you guys not looking at me? I'm here.
Bye.
I got it.
Forget that. Forget that.
Yeah, what I call
Now we will now see
That cup is
this.
fine. What? You know.
How to see?
So which one will I try first?
This one.
Stop and go. See you guys doing it. So which one will I try first? I think I'm going to try the sneakers.
Even my first.
No!
Where's that cake?
Leave him.
You open it.
Why put it open for me?
But you need that one.
Open
One key is
Taste test. Taste test.
Mickey, you come. I'm over.
Tete.
Give it to her. Open it for her.
So guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace out.
1 week later.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be on unboxing. So let's now do it. I like it. It's so fun. I love it. I love the color. It's my favorite color. I like it. It's so fun. I love it so much. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing. So let's do it. So this is the first one. So let's now bring this one. So fine.
What is that one? Chocolate.
Chocolate. Let's bring the biscuits. Another one. Biscuits. So now let's bring this one. It's cookies.
Cookies.
Let's bring this one. Now it's chocolates.
It's chocolate.
Chocolates. Now let's bring this one again. Biscuits. Now the other one is chocolate again. Now the other one is flour. We got the cup. Let's remove it. And see the cup. You want to see the inside. See the inside. So that's the end of the channel. I hope you love it. So peace out.